In this video, we are going to discuss 9 vegetarian foods with more protein than eggs. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining overall health. While eggs are a popular protein source, many vegetarian foods contain even more protein, along with additional health benefits. Plant-based proteins are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which support heart health, improve digestion, and lower the risk of diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. They are also lower in unhealthy fats, cholesterol-free, and versatile in recipes, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians, those exploring plant-based diets, or anyone seeking healthy protein alternatives. Incorporating these protein-rich foods into your meals allows you to enjoy delicious flavors while meeting your nutritional needs. Discover these nutritious options and see how they can enhance your diet and overall health. 1. Lentils. Protein content: 8 to 10 grams per cooked cup. Lentils, available in green, brown, and red varieties, are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and essential minerals. Their versatility makes them a perfect addition to soups, stews, salads, and veggie burgers. Benefits: high in fiber, promoting healthy digestion and gut health. Rich in iron and folate, essential for energy production and red blood cell formation. 2. Chickpeas. Protein content: 10 grams per cooked cup. Chickpeas, with their nutty flavor and creamy texture, are a staple in vegetarian diets. They are versatile and can be used in salads, soups, or blended into hummus. Benefits: high in fiber, promoting healthy digestion. Rich in essential nutrients including iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. 3. Tofu. Protein content: 12 grams per cup firm. Tofu, made from soybeans, is a staple in many vegetarian and vegan diets. Its versatility allows it to be grilled, sautéed, blended into smoothies, or added to soups and stir-fries. Benefits: contains all essential amino acids. High in calcium and iron, promoting strong bones and healthy blood. 4. Rajma, or kidney beans. Protein content: 10 grams per cooked cup. These beans are a popular staple in Indian cuisine, often enjoyed as a flavorful curry paired with rice, known as Rajma chawal. Benefits: they are rich in anti-inflammatory antioxidants. Promotes heart health with its fiber, potassium, and folate content. 5. Soybeans. Protein content: 18 grams per cooked cup. Soybeans are among the most abundant sources of plant-based protein. In India, they're commonly consumed in various forms, including soy chunks, soy granules, and soy milk. Benefits: provides all essential amino acids. High in calcium and iron, supporting bone and blood health. 6. Paneer, or cottage cheese. Protein content: 28 grams per cup. This versatile ingredient is featured in popular Indian dishes like palak paneer, paneer tikka, and paneer bhurji. Benefits: paneer is a great source of calcium, promoting bone health. Rich in essential fats and vitamins, including vitamin D. 7. Peanuts. Protein content: 38 grams per cup. Peanuts are a beloved snack in India, commonly enjoyed roasted or as peanut butter. They are also added to dishes like poha, chutneys, and peanut chikki. Benefits: packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. Promotes heart health and aids in weight management due to their high protein and fiber content. 8. Almond butter. Protein content: 10 grams per 2 tablespoons. Almond butter is a nutritious, protein-packed alternative to regular butter or spreads. It can be added to smoothies, spread on toast, or used as a dip. Benefits: high in healthy fats, vitamin E, and magnesium. Promotes heart health and provides a sustained energy boost. 9. Pumpkin seeds. Protein content: 8 grams per 2 tablespoons. Pumpkin seeds are a great addition to your diet, providing a crunchy texture and nutty flavor. They can be sprinkled on salads and yogurt or enjoyed as a snack. Benefits: packed with antioxidants, magnesium, and zinc. Boosts immune function and supports overall health. Incorporating these protein-rich vegetarian foods into your diet allows you to meet your nutritional needs without relying solely on eggs. From dals and beans to paneer and peanuts, these foods are packed with protein and offer numerous health benefits. Embrace these vegetarian protein sources to boost your diet and promote overall well-being. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found these 9 vegetarian protein powerhouses as exciting as I do. Whether you're looking to reduce your egg consumption or just add more variety to your meals, These plant-based options are a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your body. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments which of these foods you're excited to try. Until next time, stay healthy, stay energized, and keep enjoying your nutritious journey.